13 Side effects of lemon juice. Lemon juice is a popular ingredient in many recipes and is often consumed for its health benefits. However, while lemon juice is a rich source of vitamin C and other nutrients, excessive consumption can lead to adverse side effects. Here are 13 side effects of lemon juice to keep in mind. 1. Upset stomach. Drinking too much lemon juice can cause an upset stomach. This is because lemon juice has a high acidity level, which can irritate the lining of the stomach and lead to indigestion and heartburn. It's especially important to avoid drinking too much lemon juice on an empty stomach, as this can exacerbate these symptoms. People who are prone to digestive issues may want to limit their intake of lemon juice or dilute it with water to reduce its acidity. 2. Tooth enamel erosion. Lemon juice has a high level of acidity which can soften and eventually erode tooth enamel over time. This can lead to sensitivity, discoloration, and even tooth decay in extreme cases. To avoid this side effect, it is recommended to consume lemon juice in moderation or diluted with water to minimize the impact on teeth. Additionally, it's a good idea to wait at least 30 minutes after drinking lemon juice before brushing your teeth, as immediate brushing can actually worsen the erosion of weakened enamel. 3. Aggravate canker sores. Canker sores are small ulcers that develop on the inside of the mouth, and they can be quite painful and uncomfortable. While lemon juice is a natural source of vitamin C and other beneficial nutrients, it is also highly acidic, which means it can irritate the delicate tissues inside your mouth. If you have a canker sore, the acid in lemon juice can make it even more painful and inflamed. In some cases, lemon juice can even cause new canker sores to form. If you're prone to canker sores, it's best to avoid lemon juice altogether. If you do consume lemon juice and notice that it's aggravating your canker sores, try rinsing your mouth with water or a saltwater solution to help soothe the pain. 4. Frequent urination and dehydration. Lemon juice is a natural diuretic, which means it encourages the production of urine, leading you to go to the bathroom more often than usual. While this may be helpful for those who are looking to flush out toxins or reduce bloating, it can also lead to dehydration if adequate fluids are not consumed throughout the day. Dehydration can cause headaches, dizziness, constipation, and other adverse effects. Therefore, it's essential to drink enough water when including lemon juice in your diet to stay hydrated and prevent these side effects from occurring. 5. Harmful germs. When lemons are not handled properly, bacteria and other harmful germs can grow on their surface, and when juice is extracted from them, these germs can contaminate the juice. This can lead to various infections and illnesses, particularly for people with weaker immune systems. It is essential to wash lemons thoroughly and store them in a safe and clean place to prevent any health risks associated with consuming contaminated lemon juice. 6. Kidney stones. Lemon juice is high in citric acid, which can bind with calcium and cause it to build up in the kidneys, leading to kidney stone development. However, this doesn't mean you should necessarily avoid consuming lemon juice altogether. Drinking plenty of water along with your citrusy beverages can help flush out any excess calcium and prevent its accumulation in the kidneys. 7. Cause migraines. Lemon juice can trigger headaches in certain people. The citric acid found in lemons can cause an increase in the production of histamine, which leads to inflammation and ultimately results in migraine symptoms like throbbing pain, sensitivity to light and sound, and nausea. If you are prone to migraines or have experienced one after consuming lemon juice, it may be best to avoid or limit your intake. However, if you do enjoy drinking lemon juice, try adding a pinch of baking soda to neutralize the acidity and reduce the likelihood of triggering a headache. 8. Excess iron. Lemon juice is extremely high in vitamin C, which can enhance the absorption of iron. While iron is essential for good health, too much of it can be harmful, especially for those who are prone to iron overload. Excess iron can lead to liver damage, diabetes complications, and even heart disease. 9. Blood sugar fluctuations. Lemon juice can cause your blood sugar levels to spike and drop rapidly. This can be especially concerning for people who have diabetes or other conditions that affect their blood sugar levels. Lemon juice contains natural sugars that are quickly absorbed by the body, therefore raising glucose levels very fast. When your insulin production isn't sufficient, it creates a rollercoaster ride of highs and lows in sugar levels, leading to fatigue, irritability, and dizziness. A good way around this is diluting fresh lemon juice with water when drinking it without added sweeteners. 10. Interference with medications. Lemon juice contains compounds that can interfere with the absorption of certain medications, leading to decreased effectiveness or potentially dangerous drug interactions. This is especially true for drugs that rely on stomach acid to properly break down and be absorbed into the bloodstream. For example, antacids and antibiotics like tetracycline should not be taken with lemon juice as it can reduce their effectiveness. 11. Interference with thyroid function. The thyroid gland regulates hormones throughout the body, and an imbalance can lead to serious health issues, including weight gain or loss, fatigue, and mood disorders. The main issue stems from the high levels of citric acid present in lemon juice, which can disrupt the absorption of iodine in the body, an essential mineral needed by the thyroid gland to function properly. To minimize any potential risk associated with drinking lemon juice, it's best to consume it in moderation, along with a well-balanced diet that includes sufficient amounts of iodine-rich foods like fish and seaweed. 12. Muscle weakness. The high levels of acid in lemon juice can cause a reduction in potassium levels, which is essential for proper muscle function. This can result in symptoms such as fatigue, muscle cramps, and weakness. To avoid these side effects, it is recommended to consume lemon juice in moderation and to balance it with other food sources that are high in potassium, such as bananas or avocados. It is also advised to dilute lemon juice with water before consuming it. 13. Interference with fertility. One of the lesser-known side effects is interference with fertility. This is because lemon juice can alter the pH balance in your cervical mucus, which plays a crucial role in pregnancy. If the pH balance is too acidic, sperm may not be able to survive or reach the egg, leading to difficulties with conceiving. While some women may not experience any adverse effects from consuming lemon juice, those trying to conceive may want to limit their intake or speak with their doctor for further guidance. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel.